When cleaning your TV screen, always spray the cleaning solution on a microfiber towel. Never spray it directly onto the screen. Doing so can cause the solution to drip onto the scan ICs or the address boards. If they short out, your TV will be permanently damaged beyond repair. Always use a microfiber cloth with a solution specifically made for cleaning electronic screens. You can also make your own screen cleaner by mixing equal parts of denatured alcohol and distilled water. Never use paper towels or solutions like glass cleaner, household cleaners, or vinegar, as they may damage your TV screen. Most newer TVs have an ambient light sensor that will adjust the brightness of your backlights depending on your surrounding environment. If your TV does not have an ambient light sensor, you can prolong the life of your TV's backlights by utilizing picture mode settings. Open the settings menu and look for picture mode. There should be a few presets that will change the backlight brightness. You can also manually adjust the backlight brightness and enable eco mode if your TV is equipped. Also try to avoid heat whenever possible. Mounting the TV over a fireplace may shorten its lifespan.